Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. In this comprehensive VPN review, we'll explore its features and user experience in detail. If you're interested in this VPN service, check the description below for easy access to product links. VPN is tailored for individuals who value online privacy, robust security, and unrestricted access to global content. It boasts a wide array of features, beginning with military-grade encryption to ensure your internet activity remains private and secure. VPN provides access to a network of over 100 servers spanning more than 30 countries, perfect for bypassing geographical restrictions and maintaining online privacy. Whether you're safeguarding sensitive information on public Wi-Fi or accessing region-locked content, VPN offers a simple and reliable solution. The service is compatible with a variety of platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even Reuters, ensuring accessibility across virtually any device. A notable feature is the double VPN option, which routes your internet traffic through two separate servers, providing an additional layer of security and making it an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced privacy. Furthermore, VPN adheres to a strict zero-log policy, meaning they do not collect or retain any records of your online activity, strengthening your anonymity. The user experience is enhanced by an intuitive app interface that's easy to navigate for both novice and experienced users. In terms of performance, VPN offers respectable speeds, although like most VPNs, your connection speed might experience a slight reduction depending on the chosen server location. Overall, VPN presents a solid option for individuals seeking a dependable and straightforward VPN service that prioritizes security, privacy, and global content access. If you need a VPN that effectively balances functionality, ease of use, and privacy protection, VPN deserves serious consideration. Be sure to explore the links in the description to see if VPN aligns with your specific needs.